Hey, what's up guys, welcome to FineGap YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to give you an overview to a Shopify dashboard. When you set up your Shopify store, all your things are managed by this Shopify dashboard. Either that's orders, that customer, or you want to post some content on your Shopify store, or you want to design the pages on your Shopify store. Mostly each and everything these are managed by Shopify dashboard. So if you are going to start your Shopify development journey, then this video will be very helpful for you, because in this overview we will tell you that which option is used for what purpose. So friends, video is going to be more important. Tight your seat belts. Without any delay, let's start. So here you can see that this is my Shopify dashboard, and I would like to start from top right section where you can see a button like my store. First of all, I will click here, and here you can see that the first option is it is displaying that all stores. So if you have purchased multiple stores in your single account, then all of your stores will be displayed at this position. Let me click here. It will display me this window because currently we have only one store. That's why it is displaying one store only. And if you have connected your domain with your Shopify store, that will display your domain name like abc.com or something else. And currently, because we don't have attached any domain with our Shopify store, that's why it is displaying this random key.myshopify.com, because currently I can access my Shopify store through this link. The next option we have is you can see a bell icon here. When I will click here, you can see that it is displaying me notifications. So all of your notifications, for example, here it is telling me, because I have selected my state to United States, that's why it is giving me an alert about sales tax. So all of your notifications you will see at this position. Either Shopify teams have give you a warning or something else. So this portion is built to display you important alerts, so you can take proper actions according to your store requirement. The next feature here, you can see we have a search bar here. You can press Ctrl K, or you can directly click at this position to access this. Here you can see that it is displaying me apps, customers, orders, products, and sales channels. So for example, you want to search a specific product in your Shopify store, you can easily search from here. You want to search for a specific customer that have signed up or ordered in your website, you can also search that. So let me give you a demo. For example, if I want to search for a product, I will select here products, and here I will type just S. So you can see that it is displaying me the available products regarding my query. So for example, if I will type here sofa, so you can see that it is displaying me the 3 sofa products that are available in my Shopify store. So similarly, you can also search for apps. So let me show you. For example, if I will select here apps, and if I will type here AD, so this app is not available in my Shopify store, but still it is displaying me here, because when I will click here, it will move me toward Shopify App Store. So you can see that it is now moved me to a new tab on Shopify App Store, from where I can click on install button to install this application. So also you can perform other actions, like if you want to search for a specific order. For example, if a customer send you a complaint with your order ID, you can directly copy and paste your order ID at this position to search for that specific order. So next we will learn about homepage in our Shopify dashboard. You can access this homepage by clicking on this Shopify icon, or you can click on this home page icon on the top left side. So you will see this screen. First of all, you can see that it is displaying me the analytics, that how much sales I have did and how much orders I have. Similarly, if you want to check the analytics between specific days or between specific dates, you can select those dates from here, and you can also select specific days. Like if you want to see your analytics of previous 7 days, you can search select this last 7 days option, and you can click on apply. So you can see that this is the analytics of my Shopify store in the previous 7 days. If you want to select for specific dates, like you want to check the analytics between 1 December to 7th December, you will do that like this, and when you will click on apply, it will display you the analytics about in between those dates. So next it is asking me that you have to do these two things, because when I was building my Shopify store, I was ordered a dummy product, so that order is still in my Shopify store and it is telling me that one order is to fulfill. So it is telling me my to-dos. Also you can see that it is giving me some suggestions that how you can improve your conversation rates. I'm going to skip that. Here you can see that it is providing me a setup guide. Like in the previous section of this video, I was told you that I don't have connect any custom domain with my Shopify store, so that's why it is asking me to add a custom domain. So you can also follow these steps to completely set up your Shopify store. And here it is giving me some suggestions that I should get inspiration from other businesses to build my own Shopify store. And here it is telling about his feature. Shopify now has a feature of artificial intelligence to write your product descriptions. For example, if you are selling shoes for men's in Australia, you will write a prompt that I am selling shoes in Australia, and write a beautiful and SEO friendly product description for me. Shopify Magic will write a beautiful product description for you according to your product and the prompt that you will write here. We will learn about this feature in next in this video, but currently this was the overview of Shopify dashboard. Next you can see that we have an option for orders. So when I will click here, you will see this screen. Here you will see all of your orders. You can also filter through orders that either you can also click on unfulfilled, so you will see the unfulfilled order. And also you can use these other filters to see specific orders. Here it will displaying me today's total orders and ordered items and blah blah, this type of information. We can also export this information in a CSV file or in an Excel file, and we can also create an order from here. So basically this option is to displaying you all the orders of your store that will be ordered by customer. The next option we have under orders is drafts. For example, if a customer send you an order through WhatsApp or through an email or through Facebook or through your Instagram, then you can add that order manually here in your Shopify store. It is important because, for example, if you are managing your inventory through your this Shopify store and you have add that you have 100 products available, and if you will not add that order that will send by your customer through WhatsApp, if you will not add that order in your Shopify store, then your Shopify inventory will not display you the right information about your inventory. So you can also create invoices. When I will click here on create order, you can see here we can select specific products that customer will be order, and from here we can add discount and other information like this. Here we can also select a customer and blah blah blah. So this type of, by adding this information, we can create draft orders. Here you can see that we have another option like shipping labels. Let me click on leave page. So shipping labels are, let me show you with an example. Here you can see that I have showing you, I have searched here for images. So when you do e-commerce, then when we send an order to our customer, we require labels to add to that order, and that label contain the information about your store, the order information and the customer information. So that type of labels you can also purchase those labels from Shopify, and you can use your own printer to print those labels on your that orders. The next option we have is abandoned checkouts. For example, if a customer added some products to his cart and he provides some of information but he did not complete his order, then those abandoned orders will be displayed at this position. That will be not actual orders, but you can use your email marketing techniques to reapproach those customers, and you can insist them to order those products. So basically Shopify also provide you this feature that if some customer have added some products to their carts, so it will display you that this customer have added this products to your cart in your Shopify store. So you can also use your other marketing techniques to reapproach to that customer. The next option we have is products. When I will click here, So you can see that it is displaying me the available products in my Shopify store. You can also click here on add product button to add a new product. You can also provide like some title description. I'm not going to do that because we can make a separate video on this topic, that how we can add a product to your Shopify store. So you can provide all this information about your product to add a new product. Here you can see that it is displaying me the available products in my Shopify store. We can also export these products into a CSV file or into an Excel file, and we can also import product from a CSV file to our Shopify store. If you are just building your store for learning purposes, so and you don't want to waste your time to add new products, you can find dummy CSVs about Shopify on GitHub or on the internet, and you can just directly import those CSVs to import the random and demo products in your Shopify store directly. So this section is to manage add products. The next option you can see under products is for inventory. As I told you, you can also manage your inventory through your Shopify store. So this section is to view your inventory that will be available to your Shopify store. Also, you can see another option here for purchased orders. So if you want to purchase, if you have purchased more products from your suppliers, you can add those products to your inventory. And here next we have options of transfers. For example, you have multiple warehouses and you have moved some products from one location to another. You can also manage that transfer part from here. So Shopify provide you a beautiful solution to manage your inventory even if you are working in multiple warehouses. The next option under products is gift cards. For example, if you have announced a winner customer, or if you want to send a gift to your customer, for example, if you have a regular customer and you want to send some gifts so he can purchase those products from your Shopify store free of cost, you can perform that operation from here. For example, if you will create a gift card for a specific customer, you can type his email here and your customer will receive a code through his email, and by using that code while placing a new order, they can use that code and they can get the discount. And it depends of that how much value of gift card that will be created by you at this position. So this is similar to discount codes, or you can also send a full gift card to your customer so he can do some free shopping from your own Shopify store. The next option we have is customers. All the customers that will sign up and that will place order to your Shopify store, you will see those customers details at this position. Obviously, you can also add new customers to your Shopify store. You can also export in a CSV or in Excel the reports or the detail of your customers. You can also import the previous customers if you have those customers stored in any Excel file or in any CSV file. So next section you can see that we have content section. Obviously, content is the king. Content is very important when you build your Shopify store, because when you write content about different topics, but basically this option means is not for write blogs. This option means that you can, if you want to display unique information, like you have a sizing guide about your products and you want to display that in your Shopify store, you can use these sections. Obviously, you can see that we have files. Most of the time we need to upload a specific image that is independent to products. For example, if you have a sizing guide, sizing chart, you can create those images and you can add those images under files. This is similar to WordPress media. If you are familiar with WordPress, in WordPress we have a media option where we can save our videos and images. So similarly, under file section you can add your content like the images and the videos, and similarly then you can use the link of your videos and images to in your Shopify store or wherever you want. Next option we have is analytics. Shopify have a powerful analytics section. It will display you a detailed analytics of your store. Like you can see that total sales that you will be generate in the hours, or also you can select between specific dates. And here you can see that I'm scrolling down and the conversion rate it is displaying me, and total orders that I have received, average order value that I'm receiving, and this type of other stuff. You can see that it is displaying me many information about my products, my orders, and even it is displaying me the returning customer rate. Next you can see that sales attribute to marketing and sessions by location, that how many customers from which location they are accessing your store, this type of information. The device type, either your customers are accessing your store through mobile phone, through tablets, or through desktop devices. So as you can see that I'm just scrolling down, and here it is displaying me the sessions by traffic source, that what is your actual traffic source, either your traffic is coming from Facebook, from Google, from Instagram, or what is your actual traffic source. So this type of data, I'm not going to discuss all of this because we can make a separate video to show you, but in simply you can see that Shopify have one of the powerful feature to display you analytics. Also you can search for analytics about today, and here you can see that when I will click on this customize button, it will move me to another page. Here again you can see that, as I told you, that it have one of the powerful section to display you your analytics, so you can explore these options to understand the analytics of your Shopify store. So I'm going to cancel from here. Here you can see that under reports, under analytics, we have another option of live view. So for example, if you have a big store, then you can also view the live demographics of your Shopify store, that how much visitors are visiting your store right now, and how much total sales you have generated about today, and this type of stuff. So you can see the live behavior of your customers, and you can see the live analytics of your Shopify store. So next we have an option for marketing. Marketing is a important part for each Shopify store, because if you have give great products but you are not marketing that products well, then it means you are losing your customers. So Shopify also have a marketing option, so you can see that it is displaying me some analytics about marketing, and here it is also suggesting me some marketing apps, like here you can see Snapchat ads to run ads on Snapchat, and SMS bump for SMS marketing and email marketing. So this type of apps. So obviously all of your marketing process, you can manage that process from here. The next option we have is discounts. Obviously you can create discount codes. For example, you can create a code like 15% off. So whenever a customer will use that discount code, they will get 15% discount on their orders. So you can manage that type of stuff from this screen. The next option you can see we have is sales channels. So I will click here online store. So you can see that currently we are seeing this page. Obviously when we build a Shopify store, we need to add new themes. Maybe that theme would be a premium theme or free theme. So we can add themes from this position, and also we can customize themes from this position. For example, this is my Shopify store, and if I want to see preview of my Shopify store, I can click on this eye icon. Let me click on it. So you can see that this is the current preview of my Shopify store. Obviously, if I want to edit something, we have this customize option available here. So I will click here on customize. Shopify will displaying me this editor. So obviously I can edit these sections. For example, if I want to edit this text, I will click on it, and here if I want to remove this S, you can see that this S is removed, but I will again add that S at this position. And obviously in the end you have to click on this save button to save your changes. Again I will click on exit. So this part is to customize your Shopify theme. Even if you want to customize your Shopify theme through coding, this screen is absolutely for that. For example, if you want to write some custom liquid code, you will click here, you will click on edit code. So now you can see that it is displaying me the backend coding files of my theme. So obviously I'm not going to talk about this section because this section is for developers. So you will require some coding knowledge if you want to customize your theme. So let me click on exit here. And if you want to take backup of your this Shopify store, you can also click here, and you can also click on duplicate to take backup. So here you can see that next option is we have blog post. As I was telling you that content is king. When you write content, Google rank your blog posts on Google, and you get traffic, and obviously that traffic convert into your loyal customers. So writing blogs about your niche is very important. So Shopify also provide you a blogging option, so you can write the problems, you can write about the problems that peoples are facing in your niche, so you can get more clients and more traffic to your Shopify store. Obviously the next option we have is pages. In Shopify, we know that we have multiple pages. Currently you can see that I have only 3 pages. You can also add new pages, like suppose you want to add a page in which you want to display information about your upcoming events of your store. So you can also add pages. Currently you can see that I have already added 3 pages. You can also add more pages by clicking on add page button. Next we have a navigation option. So obviously we have menus in our Shopify store, like you can see that this is our main menu and this is our footer menu. So we can control, add new items and remove items from our these menus from this position. So next option we have is preferences. So first of all, it is asking me to add title and meta description about my Shopify store, so search engines can rank my this store on their pages. So we can write also their homepage title and meta description here, and we can also use the other features like Google Pixels and customer privacy and this type of stuff. So I'm not going to, I don't want to go in detail, but this section is for that purpose. The next point we have is point of sale. So basically point of sale feature is, if you often go to a mart, you can see computer there. You purchase a product from mart, you go to the storekeeper, he have a computer, he have a point of sale software installed in his computer, and he scan your products and provide you a slip and receive payments from you. So basically Shopify also provide you a point of sale app. You can install these apps in your physical stores to manage this type of stuff. The next option we have is apps. So obviously when we run a Shopify store, we need to add some third party apps in our Shopify store to extend the functionality of our store. For example, if we want to display a custom slider to our homepage, maybe your theme will not provide you and you will require to add that slider using a third party app. Obviously if you want to do some email marketing, you will also require apps for that. If you want to add a WhatsApp chat button in your Shopify homepage, obviously you will need to install an app to add this functionality to your Shopify store. So obviously you can add new apps and you can manage all the available apps in your Shopify store. So next and important and the last option we have is settings. Again, setting is also one of the most important part in your Shopify store. So here you can see that we have different options. I will just provide you an overview. So here you can see that first of all we have store details. Here I can provide my store detail like my store name, phone number, email, and this type of information. Next we have a plan, that which plan we have purchased of Shopify. Currently Shopify provide you $1 per month for first 3 months, so I have that plans. So here it is displaying me the plans detail here. Obviously we can upgrade our plan from this position. Next here billing option, here it is displaying me for example that which payment method I will use to pay to Shopify for my plan. Next we have users and permissions options. Obviously you can add another users, another staff members to your Shopify store, so this option will allow you to manage that functionality. Next we have payments option. So obviously you can add different payment methods from this payments option, and you can also add the cash on delivery option in your Shopify store from here. And again, next option we have is checkout. So from here you can select that when customer will place an order, which information you want to collect from your customer, and this type of stuff, checkout stuff you can manage from this option. Also here you can see that we have all the another options. You can explore that because this video is for beginners, so I'm not going to talk all about that. Here we have locations. So locations mean currently, for example, if I running my store in Pakistan, so I can add that location here, and some features and functionalities will available to you according to the location of your store. For example, if I running my store from Pakistan, then it means I cannot add PayPal option in my Shopify store because Shopify is banned in Pakistan. So similarly, you can add locations about your Shopify store. Here I can also manage apps and sales channels. For example, if you have installed apps, you can see those apps here. And similarly, friends, you can see that we have domains option. When you will require to add your custom domain with your Shopify store, you will add that from this position. And here we have some notifications and our store language option. So this type of stuff can be managed by from our Shopify setting. So friends, this was an overview of our Shopify dashboard. I hope this video will be helpful for you, and this will be a quick guide for you if you have started learning about Shopify development. If you have any question, you can ask us in the comment section. If you want to build your own Shopify store, you can also contact us. We have a team of developer here to build your Shopify stores, your WordPress websites, your custom WordPress plugins. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel for our regular videos. And finally, thanks for watching.